Good morning. Today I will speak about primitive functions. For a function f of x, function f of x is a function derivative is f of x that is the primitive function equal with the function and with the conditions if y equal b, it will be x equal a. We can determine the constant c. Today I will show many examples to how to find the constant c with the conditions. I begin with the first example. And we will use these rules to lose the examples. We have power x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus the constant c. How to find the primitive function. Example at f of x equal 2x, and here I have x power 1 n equal 1 here, plus 1, it will be 4 divided by 4. For primitive function 2x power 1 plus 1 is n plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus the constants. If the primitive function equal with 2x power 2 divided by 2 plus 2, and I can 2 with 2. So the primitive function, it will be x power 2 plus c. No, and I have conditions when x equal 1, y equal 5. So I will find this primitive function when x equal 1 and y equal 5. The primitive function equal x, instead of x I will take x equal 1 and x power 2 plus c equal 5, because y are equal 5 and these are y. When x equal 1, y equal 5. I will write it again here. 1 power 2, it will be 1 plus c equal 5, and because 5 equal y when x equal 1, I will write it like this. Then I will find the constant 5. I will change the sign when I change the place of 1, and it will be minus c equal 4. The constant equal 4, and the primitive function, it will be x power 2 plus 4, because the constant is 4. Now the second example. find the primitive function. The primitive function if of f of x equal 3x power 2, and I will use my rules here also. I know the power is 2 now, n is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The primitive function will be 3x power 2. Instead, these are n plus 1, 2 are n, divided by 2 plus 1 plus the constant c. And I have this condition in this question. My condition is given when x equal 1, y equal 10. X equal x power 3, because 2 plus 1 it will be 3, divided by 3 plus the constant c. I will take off the both 3 here, and then I will use my condition. The primitive function is x power 3 plus the constant. Then I will use x when x equal 1. When x equal 1, we 1 power 3 plus c equal 10, because 10 equal y when x equal 1. 1, because 1 power 3 it will be 1, plus c equal 10. Then I will change the place of 1, c the constant equal 10, and I change the sign when I change the number 1 sides to the another side. It will be 10 minus 1, c equal 9. And the primitive function, it will be x power 3 plus 9, the constant 9. I will continue with more examples. The example, the third example now. The third example, find the primitive function. Find the primitive function of f of x cosine x. And given the condition given, when x equal 0, when x equal 0, y equal y, it was 2. When x equals 0, y equal 2. The primitive function equal cosine, it will be sine x plus c. Now I will use my condition. I know x equal 0, sine 0 plus c, the constant, equal 2, because y equal 2 when x equal 0. Sine 0, it will be 0. Write it. Sine and sine 0 is 0, and the constant equal 2. I can write my primitive function. Primitive function sine x plus c, or c constant, equal 2. The last example, the fourth and the last. Find the primitive function of the function e power x given the condition when x equal 1, y equal 5. And here I will write the primitive function equal ax, e power x plus c when x equal 1, y equal 5, and e plus c equal 5, the constant equal 5 minus e. Now I can write the primitive function, and it will be minus e. Instead of c, I will write 5 minus e. I hope it was a good lesson. I know my English are not very well, but I know the lesson is a good lesson because I speak urgently Arabic and I learned Swedish. Now I try to do lessons with English language. Bye bye.